Imagine a world where the complexities of biotechnology are simplified through the understanding of protein folding and molecular dynamics. Picture this: the McGinty equation, or MEQ, a mathematical model helping to predict protein folding patterns and molecular interactions in complex biological systems. Now think of the possibilities: enhanced drug discovery processes, the development of synthetic biology applications, advanced diagnostic tools. All of this stemming from a better understanding of molecular mechanisms. But what is the McGinty equation? Well, it's a solution that integrates quantum field theory with fractal geometry and includes gravity and quantized inertia. This bold model, combined ATE, could potentially offer new insights into the fundamental nature of the universe. So welcome to the future of biotechnology, a future where the mysteries of the universe are unveiled through equations, where the smallest of molecules have the most significant impact. It's not just science, it's the art of understanding life itself. Welcome to the world of biotechnology.